What if I told you that there was no reason to use any kind of finishing or dressing stone on your resin bonded diamond stones? You're right. That would be ridiculous. So we're going to show you guys how. What I like to do, this is a Veneve. I believe this is the Phoenix version. So it's a little less thickness in millimeter than the Dragon version, but it's basically 1100, 3000. And yes, you can do this in your bathroom at home. What I like to do is go ahead and get the water kind of hot. And then, while that's going on, I also figure out which stone I want to use. So, there is a little variance in how you do this. Everybody does it different, and there are multiple ways, so this is not the only way. You could use something medium, like a 600 grit, 400 grit. I wouldn't recommend using those on necessarily something too fine, right? So the 3000, I probably wouldn't go real coarse. Definitely not coarse. I might go medium. Medium's okay for pretty much any stone, but what I've done is I've gotten kind of in between medium and fine. So 800. And basically what I use is 800 for this, and then for finer things like the red side here, I'll use like I don't know, I think this one is a Nanawa Japanese stone that's really fine. I think it's at least 4,000 grit, 3 or 4,000 grit, might be 5. So it doesn't do the best job. So 800 really is the ideal stone for pretty much every stone. You can even use it for this 3,000 side. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's plenty hot. And then what I like to do is see how flat it is. You can tell already, but there are certain sections that probably don't stick as good. So just do a little test. You can also test it on the bottom of another stone that you know is flat, which stainless steel should be pretty flat. Yeah. So really and truly, I just want to bring out the diamonds today and remove what little bit of slurry and steel is left on the plate. And for this one, we'll do the same thing, just clean it up and hopefully bring out those diamonds and make them shine real well. And you'll be able to see that afterwards, especially compared to before and after. So here's your before. Oh yeah, so I know it's working because that yellow is coming right on off. A lot easier than it did with this one. And back when I was doing it with this one, I thought it was coming off this stone, so that's a good sign. At least we know this is a pink stone, and it's leaving that resin, the resin from this stone on it. So we're definitely getting the resin off around from those diamonds. And we just rinse it all off. Obviously, we've got a lot of resin that came off there that probably needed to come off. And as you go, you can just clean your sink so your wife doesn't get mad at you. Yeah. We're covering a lot of ground really quickly, as you can see. I find that you have to like go ahead and rinse, and then that way you can get all of that gone and get to the next layer. So it's usually good to at least rinse one time, if not more. Both your stone, dressing stone, and the stone you're treating. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this yellow on the other side, get it gone as well. And this being a brand new stone, I already know that all sides are actually flat, which is kind of cool. It's a really cool thing about this stone. You know, it's harder to use the other side than you wouldn't want to. So I'm just gonna keep on going. And yeah, here's our finished product. It's definitely crispier looking, and I can see those diamonds sparkling a lot better. Hoping you can too. Bring some paper towels with you so you can clean up your sink afterwards. Nifty, huh? Okay. So, here we go. That's a better light. See those diamonds as I go? Which is a lot better in real life. This is 4K. And definitely better than when I began. These aren't as visible. Anyway, that's how I do it. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and we'll catch you on the next one.